Welcome back to Kiss Electrical. As we put in this disc light today, I'm going to show you a few steps that you need to know to put it up safely and securely. So we open up the box, throw the wrappers on the floor because you don't need them. Take out the hardware, instructions, don't need those. Take the hardware out. We'll need the couple wire nuts that comes with it. We'll open up the light. There's 3 little tabs that connect this thing in there, and it just twists. It twists to the right to lock it, and to the left, lefty loosey to open it, I should say. The screws that came with it, you put it on the outside of this round light box. Now we'll prep the wire. Just cut it on the very end and peel back the sheathing so you don't cut into the conductors. Take off the insulation just a little bit to expose the number 12 copper. These things are already pre-stripped. Now, if you're just connecting just one-to-one, you don't necessarily have to strip the fixture wire anymore, but if you've got more wires in your light box, like a daisy chain, so to speak, I would recommend that you do that so it can make good contact. And you just match the colors up, connect it, give it a little tug, and make sure it's secured properly, making good connection. Wrap the wires up, tuck them nice and neat inside the box, and then line up those screws that are on the outside holes with the holes that are in this disc light. And a lot of contractors are starting to put these disc lights in because they don't want to pay the extra cost for cans. But as you can see, you just line it back up, and that's it. Thanks for watching.